Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to my first coding video on the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to code the Flappy Bird, like the bird where you tap and it just jumps and you try to make it go from the tubes from Mario and stuff. Okay, so for this you'll need to upload some sprites. So first delete the cat because we don't have a cat in Flappy Bird at all. I'm gonna control V, which doesn't work. Okay, I'll have to upload a sprite, which I think I did. No, I didn't. Okay, so Flappy Bird, and click and search Flappy Bird, like transparent. Search Flappy Bird transparent, and click the one that's transparent. In case it's not like transparent, you will have to edit it, and I'll show you how to edit it in a second. First I'll upload the sprite. Okay, save images. Flappy Bird. Okay. Okay, so currently my picture is, well, I could actually remember, floppybird.png, and currently it's like not transparent, and like I don't want to make you like just spend hours trying to erase it, which also will cause some problems. So what you gotta do is you'll open paint.net. If you don't have it, you'll have to install it in the link given in the description. Okay, just a second. Okay, no, not this one, sorry. Paint.net, okay. So what you gotta do is click File, Open, and click the floppybird.png, and it should open. What you gotta do is click the magic wand and click on the boxes, which it will select the boxes and not the Flappy Bird character. Then what you're gonna do is either click delete or click on cut on the bar shown on the top. I'll click delete because that's I like shortcut keys. Okay, now we have a transparent Flappy Bird. That's awesome. Okay, now click save. Your editor can be found on the bar, or you can click on the file and click save. I'll save it at 64 bits, which no, it doesn't have that. Okay, now we're gonna close. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm changing my screen right now to chrome.exe. Okay, so what we're gonna do is click on upload sprite and click floppybird.png, or like whatever you have made. Okay, so we have to make this a bit smaller because like it's too big. I'll comment there's the vector, it makes it easier. Okay, bring it to enough size so it can be like good. This kind of big. Okay, nice. So now what we gotta do is, okay, we got the Flappy Bird. You can either rename it whatever you want. So this is like episode 1, and we can add more stuff that are not in Flappy Bird that we can add. Like we can add like custom skins. Yeah. Okay. This is classic. Nice. Okay. Now we're gonna add the backdrop. For this, I will go to Google again and click and search Flappy Bird backdrop if it shows up. Okay. I'll just do this, which I hope will work. Surely will work. No. Look, I'm searching for a background right now. I'll just go with this. Save images. Oh my god, it said WebP. Man, I don't want the WebP. I need a classic Flappy Bird background. Okay, nice. Save images. Shift focus JPG. Flappy Bird. Okay. Nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna upload the Flappy Bird background by clicking on this and click upload backdrop, and I'll click Flappy Bird. Where is it? I lost it. All files. Flappy Bird background. Okay. So I'm gonna make it that it just fits the, like, it just fits. So like we can code it good later on. Good and smooth. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna add bars. So like whenever this Flappy Bird touches those bars, it will die, or to be kid appropriate, it will just like lose the game. So it'll be end bar. Okay. And we'll make the bar so it fits the background and it just creates a thing. Okay. I'll get the position to 0, if I can fit it. And okay. Now Control C and Control V. Now I'll get this here. Okay. Now if it touches that bar, it'll also die or lose the game. Okay, I have a 1 minute of recording left, so like all I will say is goodbye. See you at episode 2. And have a great day. Bye.